and today I've got an easy recipe for all of you, inshallah. Dahi Bhalla. A very simple and easy recipe, and it's a must try for everyone, inshallah, and I'm going to get straight into it. 1 cup of gram flour, also known as besan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And you're going to add water to this gram flour and mix it at the same time, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Give it a good mix until you get it like that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at that. Just like a paste. So once you got it to that, then we're going to add the rest in. 1 teaspoon of slightly crushed coriander. Bismillah. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. These are whole cumin seeds. Bismillah. About half a teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And give that a good mix now. Bismillah. So everything's nicely mixed in with that gram flour, all them herbs and spices. Bismillah. Once you got the paste like that, with everything mixed, you're just going to add some coriander and a couple of chilies, but whatever you like. Once you got it mixed like that, and all the coriander, the herbs, the spices and the chilies are mixed, leave that to the side for about 20 minutes, inshallah. So guys, I'm going to soak some bundi in water now. I'm going to add some water, whatever you require, just to soak it. What you call bundi in English, I don't know, so I'm calling it bundi. If anyone knows, please do let me know. It's unsalted bundi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So 2 cups of them. Okay guys, the gram flour mixture is ready now, and it's been left to set for about 20 minutes. So everything like mixes in well, this taste will be great now. So I'm going to start deep frying them now, and you put them straight in. Bismillah. Until you got them all like this, and then inshallah just deep fry them. Bismillah. On medium heat. Gently to start off with, you don't want to break them. Once they got the shape, then you can be a bit more thorough. Yes. Okay guys, it's been a couple of minutes. They've all come to the top and they're cooked now, so I'm going to check them out. Yes. Leave them to the side to cool down now. Okay guys, so I'm going to start the yogurt now. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds, a pinch of salt. Bismillah. Bismillah. Give that a bit of a mix. Bismillah. And then put a bit of water in. Bismillah. Just add it slowly and keep on mixing it. And that's enough. Okay guys, so I mixed the yogurt with the cumin seeds. These are cooled down now, and they're going to soak some of that water in I put in there, so make sure you make it a bit watery. Add them to the tray. So I'm going to put the soaked bundi in now. So I've rinsed it, but it's very soft now, look. Just spread it about equally all over. Bismillah. Just use as much as you require. Then I'm going to add raw onion in it, chopped fine. Bismillah. Just spread it out again. Bismillah. The coriander and chili we'll put in at the end. I'm going to put that yogurt in now. I made earlier with the cumin seeds mixed in it, and I've mixed it with the water. And I'm going to just spread it evenly. Bismillah. Look at that. Bismillah. Just spread it evenly all over. Wherever it needs, requires, just put it in. So you spread it evenly, the yogurt, and just give it a bit of a shake. Bismillah. So it goes all even all over. Bismillah. Like that. Then I'm going to add some coriander on top. Bismillah. Just sprinkle it all over. Once you've added the coriander in, just add some green chilies cut fine. Just spread them out. Bismillah. Raw green chilies. And I've got 2 bhalle here. I'm going to crush them up into small pieces like that. Bismillah. So I'm going to sprinkle some broken dahi bhalla over as well. Bismillah. Like that. And then I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala over it. Dahi bhalla chaat. Just sprinkle it over the top. That's it. And I'm going to put some tamarind sauce on it, but better known as imli sauce. I think in Urdu they call it imli sauce. Bismillah. Okay. MashaAllah guys, the dahi bhalle are ready. And they're so easy to make, these are. And this taste awesome, these do. I tell you, you need to have a go. Please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.